Hello. In this video, I will tell you how you can score security vulnerabilities in Jira using the SoftComply Risk Manager Plus app. CVSS stands for the Common Vulnerability Scoring System. It is a standardized framework for rating the severity of security vulnerabilities. By applying the CVSS metrics, you can accurately assess the risk posed by the vulnerabilities and take appropriate actions to mitigate them. To use CVSS in Jira, first make sure you have the SoftComply Risk Manager Plus app installed. Next, let's set up the CVSS score feature in your Risk Manager Plus app. Under the Integration section, click on the CVSS settings to install required components and choose the CVSS version. Please note that the CVSS versions are not backward compatible, meaning that previous scores and vector values will remain unchanged until you reassign metrics of the new version of CVSS to your vulnerabilities. In order to use the CVSS score in Jira Issue View, you will need to add the CVSS fields to issue screens for the project where you wish to score security vulnerabilities. To do that, go to the Project Settings page, choose Issues, and then go to Screens. From the list of screens, select the one for which you need to configure the CVSS field. Find the option to add fields, choose the CVSS vector and CVSS score, and add both of them to the screen. After the CVSS vector and CVSS score fields have been added to the screens, you will see the CVSS metrics icon on the top panel of your Jira issue view. You can open the Vulnerability Assessment panel by clicking on the CVSS metrics icon. Now that the CVSS setup is completed, you are ready to score your security vulnerabilities in Jira. To start assessing your security vulnerabilities, first open the CVSS metrics panel in a Jira issue view. In this example, we will assess our network access security. The CVSS metrics is used to score the level of severity of the vulnerabilities across various metrics. CVSS 4.0 uses 4 groups of metrics to evaluate vulnerabilities: base, supplemental, environmental, and threat metrics. Start the assessment with the base metrics that represent the intrinsic characteristics of a vulnerability that are constant over time and user environments. Supplemental metrics measure aspects of a vulnerability that can change over time, but not across user environments. Environmental metrics measure the characteristics of a vulnerability that are relevant and unique to a particular user environment. Finally, threat metrics measure the likelihood of the vulnerability being attacked and is based on the current state of exploit techniques and exploit code availability. As a result of the assessment, the CVSS score is automatically calculated. The higher the score, the more severe the vulnerability. By applying the CVSS metrics, you can accurately assess the risk posed by the vulnerabilities and take appropriate actions to mitigate them. You can try out the vulnerability scoring with the SoftComply Risk Manager Plus app on Jira Cloud for 1 month for free. You can also get a live demo of the app. Thanks for watching and looking forward to talking to you soon again.